If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve temporary matchmaking issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Cyberpunk 2077 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these often fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider restarting your router. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the issue persists, try changing your network settings. This can include switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, enabling UPnP on your router, or adjusting firewall settings to allow Cyberpunk 2077 to connect. Following these steps should help you resolve the Matchmaking Error 2026 in Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.